Hey guys, how we doing? Good morning. Well, it's out. The new quantum reel is out. Actually, it is not just one reel. It's not just two reel. It's two reels and two rods. I'm pretty impressed actually. I thought it was going to be just one little reel and really lightweight and super smooth and stuff. But it's a nice little series. They're called the EXO PT reels. I'm looking at them right now. They are emphasizing on the lightness. The design's called the exoskeleton design. It's got a lot of holes in it. Compact metal. It's got the foam grips. Let's see. I'll read a little information on it here. It says on their website, metal is what matters. This is the thinking behind our exoskeleton hybrid construction. It combines a special ultra-rigid aluminum alloy in loaded bearings area with a lightweight composite that reduces weight in non-critical locations by 50%. aka spots that don't need to be really tough to make them weaker. So that could be a good or bad thing, if you drop it, who knows what could happen. This allows us to build the lightest possible frame with absolutely no sacrifice in strength. There's my answer. In fact, it is 38% stronger than magnesium and 6 times stronger than graphite composite. You'll fish stronger, longer, with the sensitivity you need to detect the lightest bites. The rock-solid performance and durability you demand when targeting trophy fish. Alright, so I was wrong. So they said it is 38% stronger than magnesium and graphite, which is normal rods. It's made out of carbon fiber, which we're seeing way more of now, and aluminum alloy. So those are two light substances. Just looking at all the features it has, looks like good bearings in there. The reel looks really clean. They dissect it, pull it apart. It's the custom PT bearings, just refurbished. So spools hold a good amount of line. It can support 4,000 times its weight, so that's actually quite amazing. It withheld 1,700 pounds of pressure before it collapsed. They pressed on it like this, So that's actually really cool. I'm very impressed by this so far. The PT bait caster, it kind of looks like their tour edition, but it's a silver frame with grip outside metal, and it's got the the foam grips. It's extremely light. I actually believe it is the lightest bait caster on the market now. 5.9 ounces or close to it, and I like that they actually come in all the series. A 661, a lot of people throw spinner baits or shell diving crankbaits or top water on that. 731 for your flipping and pitching, and then they got 531 for your cranking. So that's cool. Let's move on to the spinning reel. Spinning reel, it weighs a little more. 6.9 ounces, and the bigger version 7.1. It actually looks like the smoke reel, the reel seat and the bottom of the spool. It actually looks like the smoke that the pictures were surfacing in Google Images, but it's definitely not the smoke. We're not ruling that out yet. That could come out. It says 2012, so we still have a little bit for that. But yeah, this exoskeleton design's cool. The rods are what I like most, though. They're really nice. They come in anywhere from 6'3" to 7 foot in the spinning, um, with small guides on the spinning, not micro, and they have 10 to 11 guides. Um, weight 3 to 4, and then bait casting. They have micro guides, and they have 6'6" to 7'6". So you have your cranking or flipping rod down there in 7'6". These are a little heavier, and they all have 11 guides. Yeah, I mean, I'm impressed. They look really sleek too. You know, they're silver with black foam handles and red accents around the rod. So that's nice. And then they're offering a contest right now with Gerald Swindle, and you guys can put a video together and enter it, and if you win, you get to fish with him on Lake Gunnersville, and you get the rod and reel setup. I think 4 people win that, and probably, you know, 20,000 is gonna apply. So I mean, it's doable. So those are the new Quantum reels and rods. They are not for sale yet. They actually will not hit the market till October, so I have no idea price wise. If I could come up with a price, I would probably say $400 on the bait caster, and looking at the reel, I would probably say $250 on the reel, the spinning reel. So I'd say $400 and $250. I hope they don't shock us with more expensive. It'd be great if they came out with something cheaper. I mean, these look like great reels, I'm not gonna lie, you know. And I'm waiting to see this. So I kind of want to hold one, so I kind of want to win that competition. But no, it's nice. The exoskeleton design is nice, super lightweight. It seems very durable in what they say, and hardy. So that's what we got for now, and I'll get you guys pictures in a minute. So I'll see you then.